Jewelry, by BDK, handmade magic in every hue, color in the beat, story in the line, art on your skin, let your spirit shine. Jewelry by BDK, bold, divine, crafted with love, one beat at a time. Wear your truth, let your style speak loud. This is jewelry by BDK. Stand strong, stand proud.
Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I'm getting ready to make some really cute earrings, and I am going to make quite a few pair of these particular earrings, right? Because I need them. I want to start, and this is basically a Boho Bites video. So it's a mini video where it generally would take me under 10 minutes to make something. So I've already talked like 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get started real quick. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take two jump rings. I'm going to do one. Make sure it's nice and closed. And then we're going to take two. And then put that one in there like that. And you may have seen earrings like this before, and then you may not have, right? So we already have two in there like that. And then we're going to do, we need 4 to get us started. And then we're going to go ahead and put another one. And these are really easy earrings to make, but they're cute earrings to make. Use a lot of jump rings, but they're still cute little earrings. And then we're going to do another jump ring. And we'll close that one. So then you end up with basically, oh, let me make sure that's closed real good. So you end up basically with 2 jump rings on the top, 2 jump rings on the bottom. And then I'm going to take another jump ring and pull these together up here at the top. And then this is what it should come out looking like, right? And then we are going to take another jump ring. And this one will be at the bottom. And here's where we're going to start putting some, we're just going to throw some charms on it and see which ones match. You know, and if they hang, because we want to put, you can put big ones down here if you want to. You can put small ones. You can put pretty much whatever you want to put. Whatever you want it to look like, it's up to you. So for me, I'm going to just throw some, just some different ones on here to kind of fill it up. See what we come out with. And then I'm just going to take the pliers and then for me, I want it a little bit fuller at the bottom. So it's not a heavy earring. It's a very light earring, right? So it's not heavy at all. Has no weight to it for now then. So we're going to go ahead and close it. Make sure it's nice and closed. And then this is what it looks like so far. Just a really cool earring. And then we do need to put one more jump ring right here at the top. And we're going to take our ear wire, since it's already open, and go ahead and put that on there like that. And then close it. And then this is the earring. That's really cool. Or what we can do, I don't want to use smaller jump rings, but if you want to use smaller jump rings, you could use smaller jump rings at the top right here. So you can get you some little small ones and then close it up right here at the top and then do another smaller one right there at the top, right? But I don't want to do that. I like, you know, the bigness of it all. So like the really big hoops and the way that the earring hangs. So we're going to go ahead and make the other one. And these are really simple, really nothing to it. Basically, probably about a 3-minute earring. And you can make as many of these as you want to make. They're different. They're very unique. It's just a matter of, you do have to have a whole bunch of jump rings made up though. And I generally make my own jump rings. So like I said, I use that 16 gauge wire. So once you put the jump rings on, that's what it looks like. And then I turn it so I can put the jump rings at the top or bottom, or top bottom. And then we got that one. And then we are going to put another one. And can you believe it's already Saturday morning? Oh, somebody was asking me about, or they were pretty much saying to me about being overwhelmed with things. And I know a lot of people want to videotape, like, you know, like actually video what they're making, what they're doing. But and I know it's a lot because you're making everything, and then you're trying to videotape yourself making everything, and it's a lot, you know, it's a lot to it. But I would suggest that you write things down. Like, write down a day where all you want to do is record. So you want to pick out what you want to record. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna just go ahead and throw these charms on here. Just write it out. Like, what day do you want to be doing a video? And like, literally just do a video. Like, pick out a project, do that project recording yourself. If you got an iPhone or an iPad or anything like that, set it up, put it on record, and just pick one particular item that you want to create. It could be a 2-minute bracelet. Record your 2-minute bracelet. You got to start somewhere. And I think what happens is, you know, we kind of complicate things because it's like, okay, ooh, that's a lot. I don't know if I could do that. Or no, you can do it. Just pick one item. You want to make some earrings, you want to make a bracelet, whatever you want to make. And then just go ahead and, you know, turn the camera on. That's all. Wait, I'm trying to see what else I want to put on here. Okay, so we got that. We're going to go ahead and close this. Okay, so that's our bottom. And then our jump ring. So we're going to put a jump ring at the top. Close it. And then that's pretty much what that looks like. But then we need one more jump ring. And remember, you can do smaller jump rings if you want to, but I like them big. And then, because the wire is already open, I'm going to just go ahead and put my ear wire on here. So I only have to open the ear wire. And then that's my pair of earrings. Really easy and simple. And if somebody got a lot of hair, these will hang really well. So these are the earrings. How cool are those, right?